Hello. In this episode, we see what's wrong with the camper van and why it's losing all of its oil. So we're off to the Psychic's little garage to have a little bit of a play. So let's find out, eh? Come on, girl. Come on. So the Psychic's actually behind me. I can see him. He's got a bongo because he's nuts. Now, I wonder when he saw the van, being now I'm a lord, he had to do a little bit of a bow stroke curtsy in the bongo. So we'll see what happens when I arrive. I expect to be called my lord and him to do everything I tell him to do. So yeah, I'm quite confident that's going to happen. I don't think there'll be any issues there at all. Yeah. Ready, mate?
So don't fall off.
It ain't gonna fall off. Don't fall off. Oh, that didn't sound healthy. No, put it down again. No, that's not good.
It's got to go down to come up.
It's got to go down to come up.
Oh no, we're alright. I've got past the first thing.
Well, that sounds healthy, doesn't it?
We did, yeah.
How rotten's that? Is it rotten?
So all the, where it's all been undersealed, they've just undersealed over all the rust.
Have they?
Yeah.
Has it not been welded?
No,
It's just undersealed it.
just undersealed.
Brilliant. So it'll be a load of welding then for the MOT.
Unless we just spray some more underseal over it.
Wax oil it.
To be fair, I mean, no, that's... Yeah, no, that's... Even when you poke that to the MOT, that's going to fail.
Are you only good at welding?
Yeah, we can weld that up.
I've got a welder.
Yeah, I've got a welder.
That's good. If that went up in the ramp really high and falling through.
It was creaking noises, wasn't it?
It sounded like it was going to go bang. See what I said about not touching it until after the trip? But I'm keeping it, so it's got to be welded. It's got to be welded. Oh, hear that crack? Is that actually on her? Oh yeah. See what you're doing. Mate, it is proper dipping at the front. Oh, it's going. It's off the floor.
I think it's just because it's not quite level, is it, where I'm picking it up. Leave it mark.
Huh?
Leave it mark on the floor.
Yeah, that's what all good vans do. I was going to go under it and service it. I don't feel confident anymore.
Yeah, it's run then. What? That's the one test.
Thought that clicking was the van going then. Is that it?
Yeah, I don't know. There's no point going to work, so we'll bring it down again to. See how it is leaking oil, isn't it?
Yeah, but it's leaking all from here. Oh, look at that filter, man.
Grease.
Yeah, I think that's on the MOT about it being covered in grease.
Yeah, obviously just cover them in grease, stop them failing, aren't they?
Yeah.
It's not that bad.
Oh, glad you think so. Mate, let me just look under. Oh look, is it transmission? I still...
Is your tranny leaking?
Look. Or is it just from where it's gone back? Do you know what I mean?
That's gearbox oil.
That's what's pissed out then. Isn't it?
We can check the level on it. I might even have some down here so we can top it up. If not, could always nip home and get it because I've got some.
Always buy some. But is it just going to piss out again?
Well, you need some in there, don't you? It's going to piss out again.
That's true. You need to pick the bucket up.
Too late now.
Have you thought this through?
No.
It's not exactly peeing out though, is it? Oh, it's not took the whole thing. You not took the whole thing off yet.
No.
You've done the finger loose fun. There we go.
Oh. Oh,
Have you ever done this before?
Not on this one, no. That's poor design, that is, isn't it?
You know the plus side though?
What?
You did it, not me. How do you feel now I'm a lord?
Lord Helmet.
Are you going to call me my lord?
I'm just going to call you Lord Helmet.
I'm happy with that, if I'm honest. I generally thought you were going to tell me to get lost.
I don't mind calling you Lord Helmet. I think that's quite funny.
Everywhere we go then?
No, not everywhere you go.
Yeah, if we go into a pub, you've got to stand there and say, my lord Helmet, can I get you a pint?
No chance.
Well, I'm official. I've got the certificate in the van, but I can't show you because it's up on the ramp.
No.
I've got my crown as well, look, that's there.
Might say
Don't get any oil on the crown, okay? That's official.
Oh, sorry, just slipped.
It's a bit rude, isn't it?
I'm going to put the oil drain bung directly above the cross member. So when you drain your oil out, it goes everywhere. Which is a really good idea, that, isn't it?
You're just jealous again. Can you breathe?
This is definitely a bit old gearbox oil.
Is it?
You're gonna need lights to climb a mountain. You gotta keep the light close to you. I'll be the pillar when you're stumbling, and in my arms I'll keep you.
Right, this is going to be over because this is really 20 litres of oil.
You're alright, your hand?
We'll try and get it into there, from there, without spilling it. You just want to film me doing this now, so I'll spill it everywhere, don't you?
Absolutely. Just remember, we've just cleaned all the oil off the engine. You sure you've not got a little watering can you can pour it in first? No. What all the proper places do.
This isn't the we don't do servicing oiled.
What do you mean you don't do?
Vans.
I thought you worked on vans. I thought you were a professional. Can I ask you a question?
What?
Do you think this is going to make it?
I think it's 50-50.
50-50?
Yeah. I don't know. I'm not that confident. Are you?
Well, we never give up.
Never give up. So you're going to push it if it breaks down?
I've got to steer, so you're going to have to push.
You
can tow it.
Yeah, or
bongo power.
I'll push you with the bongo.
Yeah, push him with a bongo.
Yeah.
And as long as we get there, we'll just get a mobile mechanic out on the Saturday.
I don't know, we're taking precautions now, aren't we? We're servicing it.
We think.
Well, judging by the oil and the oil filter that came off it, I don't think it's been done for a while. So the probability of it making in there has now gone up, hasn't it?
I reckon it'll be alright.
Yeah.
As long as it doesn't set on fire while I'm asleep after electrical work, it'll be alright.
I might set it on fire while you were sleeping it.
You don't know what I'm doing to you in the middle of the night.
I'm knocking the doors.
I'm always to the Vespa, so it doesn't overtake me.
The Vespa's going to be locked in the van as well. See, I can lock the Vespa in the van while I'm asleep.
You're going to put it in the van?
Yeah, I'm not leaving it outside with you.
Fuck.
You'll be riding it in the middle of the night.
I can't do that with a monkey.
Exactly.
Well, I could actually. Actually, it would fit. It'd just be uncomfortable. And I could hug the monkey.
I know secretly you love the Vespa, so I don't want you pretending you're riding it in the middle of the night in your pyjamas.
If it was me, I'd have some stickers put on it though to make it really cool. What would say helmet head and the logo? Just you know, just saying.
Yeah, that's not cool, is it?
It is.
It's not cool.
It is.
It's not.
It is. I'm the one wearing glasses. That's the new cool. Geeky is cool.
You're not wearing them through choice, though, are you?
No. Well, I am. I can actually see.
See, cool people wear them because they don't need them.
These are just clear.
Cool people used to smoke, but they don't smoke anymore. They just wear glasses.
See, now you're cool. You're instantly cool.
Do I look cool?
You actually look clever. That's quite scary. I think you need to take them off.
I need to look like that.
Yeah, you look clever now.
Helmet head in my office.
No, I'm not up for that. It's Lord, by the way, as well. Lord Helmet Head.
Lord Helmet in my office now.
Yes, boss.
I can actually see better with these.
Can you? Can you really? Have you had a?
Usually put glasses on, you can't see, can you? But this actually working.
Do you get headaches very often?
I do a bit, yeah.
That'll be why then. Because I don't need them.
Working.
I don't need them permanently on, as in like the optician says, don't wear them all the time. But if I don't wear them, I get a headache. So I wear them all the time, and I don't get a headache. You're not keeping them. You're not keeping them.
Why?
I've got a spare pair that I don't like. And then you could be cool. Me and you could be cool together, but you'd have to grow a beard because apparently it makes you look more friendly and approachable.
Really?
Apparently so, yeah.
I don't know who told you that.
Well, it's working for me. Can you make me a drink?
No, Alan. Make yourself one.
I'm a lord now.
Yeah, it doesn't mean you don't make your own drinks.
Well, I thought it did.
No, just make me one as well, please.
It's just rude, isn't it? Are these clean? You know what they say about making someone a coffee?
Yeah.
Make it really badly, and then they never ask you again.
No, you just have to make it again.
No. Those floaty bits aren't bits of coffee. Enjoy! You've got dirty oily gloves on, mate. This is a very posh fan. This isn't one of those cheap ones that you get in here, you know. Right. The moment of truth. I'm not worried. You ready? Listen to that! Come on, you got to admit, I've worked on that, and you can see how good a job I've done.
Listen to it, it's alright, isn't it?
Yeah, you impressed now? It's not for sale.
Oh, I don't want to buy it.
It's the monkey cycle. This is, you know, since I've called it the monkey cycle van, it's gone up in price by another £5,000. See?
That's got gearbox oil in it as well. It
Might change gear now.
without that grumpy crunching sound.
You know, well, I thought it was just a racing box. You know, the ones you just slam it in, you just and it goes.
Yeah.
I'm happy with that.
Oh, turn it off, let it cool down a bit, and then we'll check your oil.
Yes, boss.
She's about ready.
Can we go on a trip now?
Well, this time next week we'll be there, won't we? This time next week we'll be riding around looking for Wookiees.
What you mean is you'll be there. I'll be on the side of the motorway.
You better make sure I've got a camera.
Have you ever seen one of these before?
No. What is it?
Well, it undoes all locks. It's a screwdriver that will undo all locks in the entire world. Touch it.
I don't want to touch it.
Do you not believe me?
No, it's something dodgy, isn't it?
No, it's. Can you hear it? Listen. Hear that?
What is it, kid's toy?
No! It's really important. Honestly, if we're away and we get stuck, this will literally undo any lock, get us into any place. So even if they've locked the loos at night, we can get in using this.
What have you been taking today, Alan?
It's good. You'll be impressed once we're away. Well, that's the Monkey Cycle camper van serviced, and it seems to be even running a little bit better. That's always nice, but at least now it's got nice fresh oil. It has dropped some oil, and I generally think that's from the gearbox. We topped it up by about 1 litre, so we'll have to see how that goes. If I end up losing a load more oil, that could become sort of an issue, so potentially I could end up having to put some kind of seal or instant gasket or whatever just to do the trip. But it looks like we're still good for the trip. What's the most important thing? I'm not having to look for a B&B or end up sleeping in the Sidekick sort of van, just to be able to try and make the trip. Looks quite cool. So everything's going according to plan. Happy days. Overall, the van itself probably needs a couple of weld spots, etc. on it for its next MOT, but that's all fine. That's what you expect for a 40-year-old van. So we're all good. Happy days. So basically, what I want to say is this is going to be like the last video now until we do the trips. There's going to be a little bit of a gap. We're going to go away and film the trip. There's going to be a lot of footage, so I'm actually going to put it all together when I come back in small, easy to watch chunks. So again, if there's not a video coming out like you normally expect, it's because we're away filming. Plus that, I've got the editing to do, so just be pre-warned, there could be a little bit of a gap. But then the patrons, the guys that pay every single month, that are absolutely awesome to be able to help fund this channel, those guys will get every single episode pop up on the Patreon first, and obviously we'll release it on YouTube X amount of days and X amount of days and X amount of days, so we end up having a whole series based on the best cheddar cheese in the world. So anyway, I want to say thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed and you're considering it, please click that subscription link. It really helps me out, and give the channel a thumbs up, and please don't forget to leave a nice comment before you disappear. But until then, happy days, and all I've got to say now, the most important thing, eat pies, ride motorcycles, be happy. Take care, see you soon, bye bye.